Hi, I'm Jennifer, and this is this week's Wellness Minute from Women's Center for Wellness. We know Mardi Gras and Valentine's Day are coming up this week, so we wanted to combine those two holidays with a lightened up version of a traditional king cake. So this is from Holly Clegg's recipes, the Trim and Terrific Gulf Coast favorites, and it uses crescent roll dough with a filling of cream cheese, powdered sugar, and then a topping of cinnamon and brown sugar. So to start the recipe, you'll need a greased cookie sheet, and we put the 2 rolls of crescent roll dough on the cookie sheet. You want to put the points toward the middle, and then you want to press the seams together just in the center. Then we take our mixture of cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla and spread it around the rest of the center of the dough. So the next step is we're putting this brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter topping. And you're just gonna sprinkle it on top. Then we bring the ends together, fold it up, and press it together. And sometimes you might want a little water or a little skim milk to help moisten it, to help it stay a little better. But you just want to wrap those around until they touch and press it together. Now this is the part where you can shape it into a heart if you like. So a great thing about making your own king cake is that you can use use your imagination. Get the kids involved. It's fun to shape this into whatever shape you like. Letters maybe, certain characters if you're really creative. But that's all there is to it. It can be a nice little free form, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Now the last thing to do is put it in the oven, 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, you want to take this out and let it cool. While it's cooling, you can make the icing, which is just confectioner's sugar, skim milk, and vanilla. Then you can add whatever colors you want. So for more healthy alternatives for your favorite sweet treats, or for more wellness tips, visit us at womens.org/wellnessminute. And for any other nutritional needs, come visit us at the Nutrition Department at Women's Center for Wellness.